Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the Delta Roblox Executor on mobile, iOS and Android, in 2026 completely free. You can install it on your device in just a few minutes, and I'll walk you through everything step by step, so make sure you watch until the end. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the installation process. Step 1, iPhone users only. If you're using an Android device, you can skip this step. For iPhone users, open the Settings app on your device. Then go to General, scroll down, and tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on it again, and make sure it's set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, depending on your connection. If this option is turned off, Delta Executor may not install properly or could crash or malfunction. So make sure it's enabled. Step 2, iOS and Android. Now, open any web browser on your phone, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you prefer. Go to the website shown on the screen. I'll also include the link below for convenience. Once you're on the site, use the search bar at the top and type Delta, or navigate to the Games section and scroll until you find Delta Executor. Tap on it. After it loads, you'll see an option to install Delta Executor for iOS and Android with smooth script execution, no jailbreak or root required. It's currently very popular, with over 1 million downloads. To proceed, tap the blue Install button. The site will locate a working source for the download. The source updates frequently, so you'll always get a fresh and functional link. Once it finishes loading, you'll be redirected to another page. On that page, you'll see details like the file name, version, size, and last update. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. Once it's complete, tap the green Download button and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. If you need help, there's a support section with FAQs and contact details available on the site. That's it. If you try it out, let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.